Hi, welcome to the overview of Gateway in a Box, or further mentioned as GIB in this video. GIB is basically a science gateway that supports interactive and batch computing. Setting up GIB is pretty easy. If you go to the link mentioned here in the address bar and follow instructions down here, you can easily set up GIB. So setting up GIB comprises of two parts. First would be the web application, which could be set up using the steps mentioned here for front end and middle layer. So if you just blindly follow the steps, you can easily set up the web application. Second part would be setting up the terminal for interactive computing. For that the steps are mentioned right here. Once you set up the GIB, the web portal will look like this. You can always customize this web portal according to your needs. So if you come to the home page, it gives you space to give some description and title about your project and provide some news up here or show some video of your project down there. Users would always have access to this portal once they sign up. They can sign up using this tab, but currently we have one user set up on this portal, which will give us look and feel for this project. So let's log in using that user. So if you observe here, currently there are only 4 options. Once the user logs in, they will have options for computing. Yeah, just like this. Now this is the home page that we can see. So clicking on home will bring us here. Terminal brings us to interactive computing mode. So it will give you a terminal like this, where user can access their data, or they can always upload their files from local computer using this button, and they can always download files from the server using this functionality of this button. User can always see the data. Let's say you want to see what's in there. Let's do ls and user can see the data. The results for the jobs user will submit will be available in the results folder mentioned here. If user clicks on compile and run tab, they can switch to batch computing mode, where user can submit jobs to supercomputers. Currently there are 3 supercomputers available. Let's see, we're going to go to Stampede 2, and user can select if they want to just compile their code or run their code, or maybe do both. So you can select accordingly, and then they will select the queue they want to go for, number of cores and nodes. User will mention how much runtime would be there, and let's say here are some commands to compile their code, some commands to run their code, the modules needed for the code to be run successfully. Users can also select the input file from their server, like when it says VETI, they can select the files from server, or user can upload the file from local system. Let's say if you want to choose a file from local system, and they can just submit this job and it will go to a supercomputer. Users can see their job history up here. Currently there is no history for this user, so none records will be displayed. There are some help pages like FAQs and user guides and video demos where user can customize their pages according to their needs for the application. And there would be message board as well. If someone wants to post a message or something like that, they can always do that. About us page will give some information about the team that is working on the project. Yeah, so that pretty much covers the overview of GIB. Basically, you have your interactive mode here, batch mode here, and some other options that eases the management of users or communication between them, and provides a great platform to do the computing. Yeah, thank you.